Once again, welcome to English Grammar Classroom. Today, my topic is the uses of the tenses. In my last videos, I already explained you about all the 12 part of the tenses. Okay, that is simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. I gave you the rules, I gave you the examples, and I also give you when these tenses are used. Okay, now in this video I am going to tell about errors in the use of tenses. Okay, the common error mostly you all make. Look at the first sentence. I have given I did not write the letter yet. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, this sentence is incorrect. Now what will be the correct form? It will be I have not written the letter yet. When the word yet is there, that means you have to make it in present perfect tense. Okay, not past tense. Look at the second tense. I did not hear from her for a month. Look again, this is incorrect. What will be the correct form? The correct form is I have not heard from her for a month. Okay, this is the correct. You have to write it in present perfect tense. Look, Columbus has discovered America. This is incorrect because Columbus discovered America long days ago. Okay, so you cannot write it in present perfect tense. You have to write it in simple past tense. Columbus discovered America. This is the correct form. Look again, the servant has not come when called. Again, this is incorrect. Okay, the servant did not come when called, because in one part if past tense is used, you cannot use in another part simple present perfect tense. Okay, so the correct form, look at the correct form. The servant did not come when called. Okay, in the both the part past tense is used. Look at the next sentence. The train left before we reached the station. Okay, again it is incorrect. What will be the correct form? The train had left. Okay, before we reached the station. Look, we reached the station in the past. Okay, we reached the station in the past and the train had left before we reached the station. Okay, this is the correct one. Now next is, he told me that she was for 6 days. Okay, he told me that she was ill for 6 days. Okay, again it is incorrect. What will be the correct one? He told me that she had been ill. Okay, it would be in past perfect tense. He told me that she had been ill for 6 days. The correct one. And look at the number 7 sentence. I am reading Kalidas for the last 6 days. Okay, for the last 6 days. So it is incorrect. What will be the correct one? I have been reading Kalidas for the last 6 days. Okay, these are the common errors you all make. You should go through these sentences, then you will become perfect in the tenses. Look, here I am giving fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Look, he dash. Okay, me a story just now, and in the bracket tell is given. What form you will write? Just now means you have to use present perfect tense. So the answer will be he has told. Look at the second one. I had gone to school when he dash to see me. In the bracket it is given come. What will be the correct form? I had gone, when it's past tense I had gone to school when he came. So in the blank you have to write simple past tense. Okay, look, I dash here for a month, means for a month you have been living in this place. So and the bracket live is there. So what you have to write? You have to write the correct form, that is present perfect continuous tense. I have been living. Okay, live action started in the past, still going on. Okay, look at the next sentence. I dash working for 2 hours, means, and in the bracket be is given, be verb. Okay, now for 2 hours you have been continuously working, therefore it will be in present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense. I shall have finished my work before. Okay, before he dash means he would come in the future, and before that I will finish my work. So it will be in simple, that is future perfect tense, and you have to write it simple present tense. We dashed to the cinema last night. Again look, when time is mentioned last night, that means you have to write a simple past tense. Go is given in the bracket, and what you have to write? We went to the cinema last night. By that time tomorrow I dash home, means by this time tomorrow what will happen? I shall have reached home. Okay, it will be in future perfect tense. Okay, the train dash the station before I dashed there. Means train had, what is in the bracket? Leave and reach. The train had left. Okay, past perfect tense, before I reached there, and here it will be simple past. Okay, in this form, fill in the blanks can come in the exam. So you have to study this form, you have to learn, you have to see. Okay, you have to go through it very nicely and to realize in which part, which tense you have to put. So for this you have to go through the tenses very well. Okay, goodbye. In my next video I am going to tell you about something new.